Hello everyone, and today I will talk about how we can speak better English by organizing our thoughts. So, when we are at the beginner level, we usually use simple daily life sentences like I am studying, he is a good person, this kind of simple sentences. But as we move beyond beginner level, we gradually start describing things and expressing our opinions about different topics. For example, if we like something, we try to explain why we like it, or if we don't like something, we also try to explain why we don't like it. And at this stage, organizing our thoughts become very important because if we don't have a clear idea about what we want to say, it becomes quite difficult to express it in English. In fact, forget about English. If you don't have a clear idea about something, you will not be able to express it even in your native language. Suppose I ask you about your hobby, but you have never really thought about it before. What will you say? You will probably give a simple answer like, I like playing guitar or I like reading storybooks. That's it. But if you have already thought about your hobby and organized your thoughts like why you like it and what you used to like before, you will definitely be able to give a much better answer. And you can describe it in a more detailed and organized way and express your thoughts confidently. Now, let's talk about how we can organize our thoughts. So, first of all, in our daily conversations with friends, relatives, and family members, you should try to go beyond just giving a short answer. You need to build the habit of speaking some extra sentences along with proper expressions, just like we naturally do in Bengali or Hindi. And I know that we don't have English speaking environment. For that, you need to create a fake environment or a fake scenarios for yourself. And even when you are speaking Bengali or Hindi, try to notice that how you would say the same thing in English. And in this way, you gradually learn to express yourself. And whether it is teasing someone playfully or showing anger or appreciating someone, try to practice saying everything in English. And you will see that you are becoming more comfortable and confident while speaking. Because it's not possible that one day suddenly you start speaking everything in English. You you have to slowly train your brain to express your thoughts in English. Now I will talk about something beyond daily conversations. So sometimes conversation can involve more complex topics. So when we talk to people, topics like music, sports, politics, environment, social issues, etc. can come up. So in such cases, you need to study these topics a little because sometimes the problem is not only English. We simply don't have enough knowledge about the topic itself. And in that case, how will you express it in English? I hope you have understood that. So, yeah, that's all for today. I hope it will help you, and thank you so much for watching.